Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Huawei Fit app and tap on Devices at the bottom of the page. Then tap your watch's name at the top. Tap the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Tap Unpair Device. Then tap Unpair on the pop-up. Your watch will then unpair from your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.